ಪಂದ್ಯ ಆರಂಭವಾಗಿದೆ. ಬೆಳ್ತಂಗಡಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಯ ಎರಡನೇ ದಿನದ ಪಂದ್ಯ.
ನಿಡಿಗಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ತಂಡದ ಕಪ್ತಾನನಿಗೆ ಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ 10:16ಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಆರಂಭವಾಗಿದೆ. 10:36ಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. 20 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. 10:36ರ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ತಾವು ಕೋಟವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳ ದಂಡವನ್ನು ಪಾವತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಚೆಂಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 1 ರನ್ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ. ನಿಡಿಗಲ್ ತಂಡದ ಐಕಾನ್ ಆಟಗಾರ, ಕೊಡಗು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಖ್ಯಾತ ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಟಗಾರ ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು ಅಜರ್ ಕೊಡಗು. ನಿಡಿಗಲ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಮೊದಲ ಓವರ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ಶತಕ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ತಾಂಡುಗಾರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಹ್ಲಂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಹಾರಿಸ್. ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ಬೆಳ್ತಂಗಡಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ ಸೀಸನ್ 10ರ ಎರಡನೇ ದಿನದ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಚೆಂಡು, ಬಲವಾದ ಹೊಡೆತ, ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಂಡು. ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಸಫಲತೆ ದಾಳಿಗಾರನಿಗೆ, ಅಜರಿಗೆ ಸಫಲತೆ. ಮೊದಲ ಶಸ್ಸು ತನ್ಮೂಲಕ ಅಹ್ಲಂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡ ತನ್ನ ಮೊದಲ ಹುದ್ದೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವರ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲೂ ಮತ್ತಿರುವ ಹೊಡೆಬಡಿಯ ದಾಂಡಿಗನ ಪ್ರವೇಶವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಚೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 12ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ದಾಂಡಿಗ ಸುಹಾನ್. ಅಹ್ಲಂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ 10ನೇ ದಿನ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರಕಲ್ ತಂಡ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಹಾದಿಯನ್ನ ಕ್ರಮಿಸಿದೆ. ಅಜೇಯವಾಗಿ ಗೆದ್ದು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಕನಸಿಗೆ ನೀರುದಿದೆ. ದಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅಜರ್ ಕೊಡಗು. ನಿಡ್ಗಲ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಗು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾನ್ವಿತ ಆಟಗಾರ, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಪದವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಆಡುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಟಗಾರ ಅಜರ್. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಚೆಂಡು, ರಕ್ಷಣಾತ್ಮಕವಾದ ಆಟ, ರನ್ಔಟ್ ಅವಕಾಶ, ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ರನ್ಔಟ್. ಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂಪೈರ್. Umpire directly goes to the third umpire. Whether it's out or not, definitely looks like a 50-50. So good morning everybody, this is the second day of BPL season 10 organized by Silo Friends Kakhinjay. The successful 10th edition of BPL tournament they are organizing here in the Kakhinjay School Ground. There is third edition, the first time the BPL organizers made it live to telecast. Yesterday 2,000 people are given out. The red signal to the batsman, direct it. They got the wicket. Excellent fielding by the bowler. What a wicket that is. Excellent piece of bowling and also the same type of the fielding by Azhar Kodagu.
ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲೋರ್ವರು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಜು KSRTC ಭೇಟಿಗೆ ಇವರನ್ನ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ರಾಜು KSRTC ಭೇಟಿಗೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಬ್ಬು ಕಳಸ ಇವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Now new man joined Bathi Shah. Again Agasar from our nice delivery, nicely played on the onside area. There is a chance of run out again, but the batsman crossed the mark easily. Quite comfortable single for Ahlam Strikers. With that single score moves to 2. We are in the first over. It's a power play. It's a mandatory power play. The Bathi Shah is on strike. He's facing the first delivery of Azhar. This is the second day of VPL season 10. Nicely, beautifully connected, and there is a man in the Pekka circle. There is no possibility for a single. Excellent bowling, excellent Yorker. So good over comes to an end. It's a very excellent over. Given only 2 runs, and got a wicket with 2 wickets in his over. One is run out, one is catch. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂಡಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಸಮಯದ ಒಳಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟವನ್ನು ಭರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ತಾವು ದಂಡವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಕಪ್ತಾನರು change the bowling side. The new bowler for the second over is Shashi from Kakkije, the local boy. He's also a very good bowler, a very experienced bowler. He bowled brilliantly throughout the BPL season and is also very demandable bowler. Shashi from Kakkije CTN to the retired batsman Suhan. Suhan is on strike. The tall batsman. The second over. And there is a man doing wicket keeper behind the stump. It's Mr. Kiran. He is also one of the finest cricketer of South Kendra district. Excellent shot, nice shot. A classic cricketing shot by Suhan. Wonderful shot into the covers. One completed, back to second. That also easily completed. With that, 2 score moves up to 4. We are in second over. This is a clean shot, a clean strike. Suhan looks like he's one of the clean striker of the ball. He can rotate strike easily. This is the kind of shot required in cricket, because we saw the last match against it was between YC Mundaje versus other team. Again, he's a short delivery. He's trying to pull the ball, but again there is no possibility for single or a big shot. Just a time miss.
ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಜೀವನ್ ಪಟ್ರಮೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ ಎರಡು ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕರು ಟಾಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Shashi again, nice save with this time out to off some misses completely. The batsman will leave the ball to wicket keeper hand. So again this is a dotted delivery. There is no run for Ahlam strikers.
ಜೀವನ್ ಪಟ್ರಮೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯ ನಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಎರಡು ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕರು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಟಾಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Short delivery, nicely driven into the long on. There is a man, only single is out. So short pitch delivery, one completed. This time the man, the batsman Mr. Bati is on strike. Short pitch delivery, nicely driven, but only single. Only single declared by the umpire. The first in the history of BPL, the organizer telecasting lively to all the cricket fans. Yesterday, more than 2,000 cricket fans are watched the tournament. Shashi again from Kakkije City and to Suhan. Suhan is in good touch. Nice delivery and beautifully connected into the long off. Only single. So just rotating the strike. The score is just 7 after the completion of second over. Score is 7 for 2 wickets. 2 ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಕ್ಕೆ 97 2 ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ತಂಡ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ದಾಳಿ ಸಂಘಟಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಾಳಿಗಾರರು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. There is a change in the bowling.
ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ತಾವುಗಳು 10:26 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 10:36ಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ತಪ್ಪಿದಲ್ಲಿ ದಂಡ ಪಾವತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಗಮನಿಸಿ ನಿಡಿಗಲ್ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ.
They change the bowling side. The captain Sharik. He comes with the third over. He's a very good all-rounder, successful all-rounder of BPL history. Got many prizes as a captain, as well as individual prizes also. Mr. Sharik, most experienced cricketer of the side, is ready to bowl the third over. Sharik to Suhan. Oh, ball in the air, big shot. There is a chance for 6. No, this time it's out. So successful wicket for Sharik. Another big wicket for Nidgal. They got a wicket. The captain got the first wicket in very first ball. It's a good piece of bowling by Captain Sharik. So now the man comes for Ahlam striker, Mr. Asir, just number 4, or the finest all-rounder of South Central District as well as Karnataka State in tennis ball. Ashir is a new man, and he got a man of the match in the last match against Jeevan Patrami for his unstoppable innings. Sharik again to Batish. Short delivery, nicely driven to the point area. One completed, no possibility for second. Good piece of fielding, especially the fielding unit of Nidgal looks very good. Excellent fielding performance by Nidgal. Definitely this type of the fielding also always increase the confidence level of the bowlers. Sharik, good shot, very good shot into the covers by Captain Ashir. Is open his account. With that single score moves to 9. We are in third over. Still run rate is very slow. But the run machine came now. Good piece of delivery this time. It was a wide delivery declared by the umpire. We are in third over of the match. Again Sharik to Batish. Nice delivery off stump, misses comfortably against the again dot delivery. Is doing a fine job as a bowler. Mr. Sharik, the captain of the team, is a very good leader. There is no doubt about that. He got many prizes in the history of BPL. Short delivery driven into long on. One only. Now the man in form, Mr. Ashir, is on strike. He can increase the run rate any time because he knows this ground very well. Oh, nicely driven. He knows how to take singles, doubles, sixes, boundary. This shows as he's a completely one of the classic cricketer as well as a quality cricketer. Mr. Asik, just number 4. End of the over number 3. Score is 12. Very good over. Azhar to Ashir. Ashir is on strike. Wow, this shot goes like a trace bullet into the deep mid wicket area. Just one complete. There is more possibility for second. It was a bullet shot. Tracer bullet. One completed. Score moves to 13. We are in the 4th over of the match. Nice shot in the point area. Only single. Just opened his face of the bat and got a comfortable single. Score moves up to 14. We are in 4th over. Still run rate is very low. Definitely 30-35 is a good total, in challenging total in this ground. Hashir is on strike. The big man. Nicely driven into the square leg area. There is a man. Only single, no possibility for second. Score is 15. You are in the fourth over. Still, there is a lot of spectators. Cricket fans are watching this tournament. A nice shot. What a stroke that is by Batish. Only single. So slowly increasing run rate. 16 now. Fourth over. Azhar to Bat. Oh, nicely driven. There is a no man into the long on area. 6 runs. What a six that is. Excellent shot. It was a Yorker delivery, attempted Yorker, but he can hit the ball for any Yorker swings, whatever it is. That type of ability he is having, Mr. Ashir. The clean striker of the ball is having huge power and also excellent timing. He's the cleanest striker of the ball, Mr. Ashir. So, captain trying to increase the run rate with a beautiful sixer. Score moves to 22. Again Azhar to Ashir. Oh, ball in the air. There should be a chance for catch. Yes, it is. Ashir gone. But the bowler, what a comeback by bowler Azhar Kodagu. He swings the ball. Batsman try again. He looks for a big shot. But unable to pass, unable to call the sixer or big shot. And Ashir back to pavilion end. But very good innings he played. Score is 16 only, sorry, 20? 22. 4 ಓವರ್ಗಳ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಮೊತ್ತ 22. Last over in progress now. Now there is a oval pending. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕರೆ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಜೀವನ್ ಪಟ್ರಂ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ ಎರಡು ತಂಡಗಳ ಕಪ್ತಾನರು ಟಾಸ್ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. Here announcing for the next match, it will be playing between Jeevan Patrame versus YC Mundaje. I request the both captains, please come to the commentary box for toss immediately. YC Mundaje ಹಾಗೂ ಜೀವನ್ ಪಟ್ರಮೆ ಕಪ್ತಾನರು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಟಾಸ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಿಜಾರ್ he comes for fourth over, final over of the match. He is also very good all-rounder of Nidigal. The first time Nidigal friends they are participating in the BPL. Definitely I will look at congratulations to the sponsor of the team, Mr. Samad Nidigal. 1 run completed. Very good shot. Only single score is 23. We are in the final over of the match. Still Nidigal friends are looks very good. Excellent bowling. And also excellent fielding. They are not giving any extra runs. They are bowling with a disciplined line and length. Ball in the air, that should be a chance for catch, but only single now. Batisha got a single. (25) very decent bowling performance by Nidigal friends. Nizar. Full toss, so only single. Yesterday we have seen a lot of good innings in this ground. The players like Harish, the icon player from Young Friends Ujire, he played brilliant innings throughout the tournament, throughout the day, and as well as some other players, Pratap from Redbacks. This time 1 run. 1 run, trying back to second. Is it possibility? Oh, it is completed. 2 runs. Excellent running. Looking for third. Oh, he's out. The very good running. 2 runs completed. There is no possibility for third. So, he's tried to third run, but he's not safe in the 1 second. Batisha gone, but given a very good contribution for the total. And also we saw a lot of excellent bowling yesterday, especially Sannu, Krishna, the icon players. And we saw good batting performance from some senior cricketers like Akbar from Red Backs Kakkinje and some other players. Ball India, what a shot that is, a man there. Very good comfortable catch taken by the deep square leg area. So another wicket departs now. Last ball of the innings. Now Newman joined this out of number 23, Mr. Siraj. One ball to go. Very good over. Excellent over. There is no doubt about that in the slog overs. He's doing a fine job. It's not allowing the batsman to lift the bat. This is the quality of the side. The quality bowling attack from Nidigal. Full toss, nicely driven. One completed. Looks for assist fielding there. This is the first time I've seen the mistake of the fielding side. Back to completed 3 runs, is it? Yes, 3 runs completed. What running that is. Excellent running between the wicket by Siraj and other batsmen. The score is 31. 31.
ನಿಡಗಲ್ ತಂಡದ ಕಪ್ತಾನಿಗೆ ಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಾವು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳ್ತಂಗಡಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ ವರ್ಷ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಡೆಸಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳ್ತಂಗಡಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂತ ಓರ್ವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟೈಲು ತಂಡದ ಜೀವಾಳ ಆಟಗಾರ ಸಾದಿಕ್ ಅರೆಕಲ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು BPL ಬೆಳ್ತಂಗಡಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮಾದರಿಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದಂತ ಆಟಗಾರ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ರಶೀದ್ ಬಾರಿದ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ತಂಡದ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಸೇರಿ ಈ ಒಂದು BPL ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಯನ್ನ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ 2000
ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಆರಂಭವಾಗಿದೆ.
9ರಲ್ಲಿ
very good piece of bowling, but out selection is a good delivery. Is a wide ball given by the umpire. The power play score is now Medical Friends open their account with the wide, one without any loss. We are in the first over. It's a mandatory power play.
ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾನ್ಯ
Suhan. Oh, clean mode! This is the delivery of the tournament. This is the delivery of the day. What a bowling that is. Fantastic. There is no answer with Mr. Kiran because Kiran is a quality batsman. He's just shocked. So walking back to the pavilion without any score. What a delivery that is. It's a fantastic bowling. Great bowling by Suhan. Clean bowled.
ನೌಫಲ್ KH ಅವರ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿಯ ಕೀ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಬಂದು ಬರೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಬೀರ್ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿಯ ಕೀ.
Excellent piece of bowling by Suhan. What a wicket that is. So now the new batsman joined with Sharik. T-shirt 11.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಹ್ಲಂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನದ ನಾಯಕನಿಗೆ ಸೂಚನೆ, ತಾವು 10:41ಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
Ayaz is the batsman, new batsman. He's came for as a one down. It's a time to him to build the innings with the captain. Oh, nice stroke into the point area. Good shot. Very good shot by Ayaz in the point area. Excellent shot. Just use of his feet. Just use of his bat in the face of the bat. And got a comfortable single. Open the account. The score is 2.
11ಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟವನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಹ್ಲಂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕನಿಗೆ ಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವನ್ ಪಟ್ರಮೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ 2 ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕರು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Over one. Swing and miss. Excellent bowling by Suhan. What a bowler he is. ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜ್ ತಂಡದ ಆಟಗಾರರ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಲೈವ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Very good bowling and excellent running between the wicket. Very good running, quickest running between the wicket by Captain Sharik and Ayaz. So just one run. Score was up to 3. We are in the first over. So far, excellent bowling performance by Suhan. Very good speed star. Again, Suhan.
ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಪಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ರಾಜು KSRTC ಬಿಟಿಗೆ ಇವರನ್ನ ಟಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ್ ಪಟ್ರಮೆ ಈ ಟಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರಾಜು ಬಿಟಿಗೆ ಇವರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಯಾಸಿರ್ ಬೊಂಡ್ರಪಾಲ್ ಇವರನ್ನ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಯಾಸಿರ್ ಬೊಂಡ್ರಪಾಲ್.
Suhan, nice rebound. Oh, there is trying to catch, but just drop the catch by Siraj. It was a good attempt by Siraj. And single completed. End of over number 1. Score is 5. ಮೊದಲ ಓವರ್ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 5. 32 ರನ್ಗಳ ಸವಾಲು. 32 runs required by 30 balls. The first over is completed. Score is 5. Loss of 1 wicket. They lost the big wicket of Kiran. Now they are time to
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಬ್ಬು ಕಳಸ ಇವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಹಸನ್ ಬಾವಾ ಇವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಹನೀಫ್ ಅಲ್ಬರಾಸ್ ಇವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಶರೀಫ್ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ BPL ನ ಜನಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಿದ್ದರು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಾದಿಕ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಒಂದು BPL ನ ರೂಪುರೇಷೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂತ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವ ಆಟಗಾರ ಗ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಸಿ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಡಿ ಅನುಭವದಂತ ಆಟಗಾರ ರಶೀದ್ ಬಾರಿದ್ ಕೂಡ ಇವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
Second over in progress, Mr. Ashir, the captain, taking the charge. He is leading from the front. Ashir to Sharik. Oh, what a shot! Ball in the air. Chance of six. Yes, it is. What a clean strike that is. Fantastic stroke by the captain Sharik. He can hit the ball because he's having a huge power and a timing, perfect timing, and also the perfect shot selection. That is the quality of a batsman. So he proving that is Mr. Sharik. What a six that is.
ರೋಚ
Ashir to Sharik. Again the clean shot. There is a man in the field behind the ball. Yes, it is taken. Yes, Sharik departs. Again he looks for a big shot. But he's out now. But a good contribution for his team. The captain need like this. Captain has always comes to front. But Sharik's doing like this. Switching the bowling as well as in batting.
ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ ಟಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಯಿಸಿದೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ.
The score is 11. Second over in progress. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ದಾಂಡಿಗರು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಲಿಟಲ್
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟಿ-ಶರ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7. ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ Azhar. He is now. Azhar is on batting strike. He looks for. It's from Kodagu districts. He's the finest all-rounder of the team, Mr. Azhar. For Nidgal friends, he's joined with Ayaz Sharik from 30th circle to the retired. A good face of the bat, good shot, just open his face, and this is a time, in this time, single is very much essential for Nidgal friends. They need a partnership between Ayaz and Azhar. Score is 12. We are in second over. So far, run rate is good. 6 run per over. Again, and also Ahlam strikers need a wicket, and they need some good overs to come back to this game. Ashir to Ayaz. Nice shot. This is a good shot. Sensational batting by Ayaz. He's just concentrating for singles. This is a quality of the batsman. He's a good cricketer. Mr. Ayaz just open his fast and fill the gap and getting continuous singles. Score is 13. We are in second over. Very good over for Nidgal friends. Especially the captain starts with a 6. Oh, good shot. But it's a single declared by the umpire. With that single, score moves to 14. This is a very expensive over for Ahlam strikers. Again, Ashir to the right hand Ayaz. Very good shot. Very good batting by Ayaz. He continues getting singles. Very comfortable singles for Ayaz. With his single score moves up to 15. Hadinedu, the required 17 runs by 18 balls to win this match. 18 ಶತಕಗಳ ಬಂದೆ 17 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. Still Match is 50-50. Anything can happen in any moment because short format cricket is always the moment of the game. It's always the momentum of the game. Every team looks like a balancing side. And we've seen the last match it was between Sai Cricketers versus YC Mundaje. It was a top quality bowling performance by Sai, the captain Rahman and other players. What a name, please? Siraj. Siraj, just number 14 for third over. To the right-hander batsman Ayaz. A very good shot. Oh, run out. That might be a chance for run out. Asking for the umpire, but umpire says no. So luckily Ayaz safe in the last striker end. The single completed. Score was 16. Good running between the wicket. Siraj is on bowling mark again to Azhar. Wow, wonderful shot, ball in the air from several times, looking for a catch as it is gone. Azhar gone. Azhar departs, he looks for a big shot. But in this time, sixer is not required. I think only singles, doubles can give the victory. So the ಪಂದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನಿಸಾರ್ ಅವರು. A new batsman comes in, Mr. Nizar. Pitch number 37. He's a big all-rounder. It's a time for him. He has to lead from the front because Ayaz are taking continuous singles. That is success for the bowler Siraj. He got a wicket of Azhar again. Nicely driven into the covers. One completed. Excellent fielding. Back to second as it is completed. Very good innings by Ayaz. He's converting one into singles. Definitely, I would like to say in this crucial time, this Ahlam strikers need a wicket of Ayaz. That's because he is now getting continuous singles. A bit headache for the captain of the team. Again a single. What a single that is. Looking for best, it is back to second. Good batting, sensational cricketing shot by Ayaz.
ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಇಬ್ರಾಹಿಂ ಬೊಂಡ್ರಪಾಲ್, ಗ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಸಿ ತಂಡದ ಓರ್ವ ಮಾಜಿ ಆಟಗಾರ. ಇವರನ್ನ ಸೀಸನ್ 10ಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಇಬ್ರಾಹಿಂ ಬೊಂಡ್ರಪಾಲ್ ಇವರನ್ನ
gone this time. This is a very important wicket in this time, I think.
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಿಬಿ ಬೆಂದ್ರಾಳ ಇವರನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ
ಸ್ಕೋರ್
ಮುಸ್ತಫಾ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಬಲ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾನೈಟ್ಸ್
20
ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇವರನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
The second wicket in this over for Siraj.
ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ
The second wicket.
ವೈಸಿ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ ಟಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಾವುಗಳು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
6 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಅವಕಾಶವಿದೆ. ಅಹ್ಲನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ಸ್ 6 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. 10:55 ಕ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
20 required 12 runs. Siraj to Ilyas. What a delivery that is. This is definitely, I would like to say, it is a turning over of the match. Excellent over comes to an end. He took two wickets. Very important wickets of Azhar and Ayaz. What a turning over this is. Now 12 balls remaining required. 12 balls, 12 runs. 12 balls, 12 runs required. 50-50 match. Let's change the bowling side. This is a bit the time for the captain.
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟವನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ BPL ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಂತ ಬರುವ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಪ್ರೇಮಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಜೋಸ್ ಕುಕ್ಯಾರ್ ಕೋಚ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಕಕ್ಕಿಂಜೆ ಇವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಜೋಸ್ ಕುಕ್ಯಾರ್ Kukyar Cloth Center, Kakkinje.
The trump card, back to attack with Suhan. What a bowler he is. It's very important for both teams. Suhan to Nizar. Nicely played into point area, single taken. No possibility for a double. Excellent bowling, excellent fielding. It's completed single run easily. Now 11 balls remaining, 11 required, 11 needed to win this match for Nidigal friends. Suhan.
BPL ಆರಂಭದ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಕ್ರಿಯರಾಗಿದ್ದು BPLಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನ ನೀಡಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಜೋಸ್ ಕುಕ್ಯಾರ್ ಈ ಬಾರಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪಂದ್ಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಬಯಸಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Oh, what a delivery it is. Outside off some perfectly. Misses, there is no run. This is a every run, every deliveries are important for both sides. Every run is very important for Nidigal, Fent and as well as Ahlam strikers. Suhan doing the finest job as a bowler. He's not giving any runs. He's the toughest bowler of the team. Suhan to Ilyas. Oh, ho, ho, ho. This is, I would like to say, this is the best shot of compared to Turis. This is the toppest shot, top class shot by Ilyas. What a sixer that is. Absolutely. I don't have any word to say about this shot because one of the top quality in front of a top quality bowler, Suhan, he played like anything. It is the ball is went like a press bullet. Absolutely fantastic switch hit by Ilyas in this crucial time. What a man he is. Brilliant sixer. Definitely if he wins the match, he's the man of the match. But excellent comeback. Still a lot to go, need to get to many runs. But if they wins this match, I think he is a man of the match.
ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶಾಕೀರ್ ಸೋಮಂದಡ್ಕ ಒಮಾನ್ ಇವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶಾಕೀರ್ ಒಮಾನ್.
Oh, looking for a single, but this man, quality bowler Suhan, again and again, doing a perfect job. Some days and some deliveries, sometimes will miss. But excellent comeback, Suhan. That shows that his confidence level is increasing like anything. This is a quality bowler, Mr. Suhan to Ilyas. This time single, quick single taken by Ilyas and other batsmen. Score was to 28, required 4 runs. 4 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. We need 4 runs out of 6 deliveries.
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಂಶುದ್ದೀನ್ ಡಿಕೆ, ಮಾಲಕರು ಡಿಕೆ ಟಿಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್. ಡಿಕೆ ಟಿಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದರ ಮಾಲಕರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಂಶು ಡಿಕೆ ಇವರನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಂಶು ಡಿಕೆ ಮಾಲಕರು ಡಿಕೆ ಟಿಂಬರ್ಸ್.
Mr. Ilyas also is a most senior cricketer. He is also playing more than 25 years in the cricket ground. He was a brilliant all-rounder once upon a time. Bowler name, please. Sarwan. Sarwan, he's in the final over. Required 4 runs. Still match is 50-50. Sarwan to the final over. 6 balls remaining, 4 runs needed. 4 runs needed. Oh, single run, quick single by Ilyas. 3 runs required in this moment out of 5 deliveries. Nizar is on strike. Oh, clean out! What a comeback by Sarwan. Nizar gone. Nizar, ಟೈಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು? ನಿಜಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಟೈಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಟೈಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ತಂಡಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಅಂಕ ಓಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಟೈಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ತಂಡಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲಾ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕಗಳು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು ಲೀಗ್ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ Muhammad, the new batsman. 4 balls, 3 runs required. Sarwan. Ball in the air. Oh, one completed. Looking for second. Yes, back to Kabran. Excellent running by Ilyas, another batsman, Muhammad. Match tie now. 3 balls, 1 run required. What excellent performance by the batters from Nidigal Friends, especially the innings, the crucial innings played by Mr. Ayaz. Sarwan to Muhammad, 1 needed. Ball in the air. Nidigal Friends to win the match quite comfortably in the end. So congrats to Nidigal Friends. I request Mr. Rafsal Koppa